It's very possible that this could be the easiest recipe ever. When you think of railroading, there are probably a few companies that come immediately to your mind, and one of the ones that comes to my mind is Union Pacific. And in February of 1929, they put a recipe in their magazine, which we're going to be making today: coconut drops. Our recipe today only uses 2 ingredients, and they don't even have measurements. It calls for coconut flakes, which I have here, and it calls for sweetened condensed milk. And it says to just put enough sweetened condensed milk so that your coconut just sticks together. The recipe then says to drop them by spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and put them in the oven, a moderate oven, which in today's world is typically 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until these are browned. These are almost exactly what I remember having as a kid, prepackaged from the grocery store. They were called coconut macaroons. And I'm not talking about macaron, the French cookies. I'm talking about these coconut macaroons. Simple, really quick. Highly recommend, if you like coconut, you make these. It is a great way to end your day. No matter if you've had a good day, a bad day, doesn't matter. These are gonna brighten your day. Try them. We'll see you next time on Recipe Reviver.